5G was supposed to change our lives. Remember those promises? Smart cities, remote surgeries, autonomous vehicles, lightning fast speeds. Well, we're in 2025. Yes, there is 5G symbol on our phones, but do you really see the difference? Today, let's cut through the hype and actually decode what 5G is in India like. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Madhuri, a 5G engineer by profession, and this was us in 2019 during our company's celebratory 5G global rollout event. On one hand, as an engineer working on sub-6 5G and millimeter wave, I've seen those 1 to 10 Gbps of speeds during our lab testing. On the other hand, as a user, I've also seen 5G keeps buffering all the time even while playing a YouTube video in peak traffic. So, today, let's decode the rollout, the reality, and the places where 5G is making a difference in India. India auctioned 5G spectrum in 2022 and Jio and Airtel went all in. By 2023, metro and tier 1 cities had live 5G networks. On paper, the coverage map shows about 80% of urban India now has 5G. But as every user knows, available and usable are two very different things. Let's start with speeds. In theory, 5G promises gigabit speeds of 1 Gbps on sub-6 and up to 10 Gbps with carrier aggregation on millimeter wave. While it is expected to have some losses in live networks, in reality, Jio users average around 312 Mbps and Airtel users around 275 Mbps. That's of course faster than 4G, no doubt, but it's nowhere close to the sci-fi 5G speeds that we used to see in our lab testing and what is expected on paper. Coverage is another story. Metros are fine, but step into tier 2 and tier 3 cities and suddenly 5G is patchy. And in many rural areas, a solid 4G signal is still more reliable than a spotty 5G network. Then there's pricing. Initially, 5G was free to lure users, but premium plans are slowly coming in. So, why this gap? A big reason is the infrastructure. Only about 35% of India's cell towers are connected with fiber backhaul, that which is essential for true 5G speeds. The fancy millimeter wave spectrum, the one that can deliver gigabit speeds, it's not even deployed in India yet. And not every phone supports every 5G band. So, yes, your shiny new 5G phone is still limited by the network sometimes. But it's not all doom and gloom. 5G is making an impact in the right places. In factories, private 5G networks are boosting productivity by nearly 20%. In places like Pune and Bengaluru, 5G is being used for real-time traffic management. Healthcare chains like Apollo are running rural telemedicine pilots powered by 5G. Even agriculture is getting a boost. Punjab and Haryana farmers are using drones and IoT sensors on private 5G networks to improve yields by up to 10%. And the best showcase, the Mahakumbh 2025. Imagine 2 million people in 15 square kilometers. 5G handled crowd management, real-time video surveillance, and even live streaming the darshan for people who could not attend in person. That's where 5G shines in solving scale and connectivity problems unique to India. What's coming in the next 2 years, you may ask? Here are a few things. Network densification, putting small cells inside buildings to fix patchy coverage. Fixed wireless access, basically 5G home broadband that could compete with your Jio Fiber or Airtel Extreme. Private enterprise 5G for factories, hospitals and campuses. And hopefully, gradual rural expansion powered by BharatNet. So, is 5G in India worth it? For enterprise and urban professionals, yes, it is delivering real value. For rural users, honestly, not yet. The truth is, 5G in India is less of a revolution and more of an evolution. And the next 2 years will decide whether it finally lives up to the hype. What's your 5G experience in your city like? Blazing fast or just a logo on your screen? Drop your story in the comments and I'd love to hear the ground reality. And if you want more such no-nonsense takes on tech, hit subscribe and I will see you in the next video.